Hi guys, I want to do a quick unboxing of your makeup kit. If you haven't done so already, you can explore it with me here. So there's just a quick thing to look through. This is in particular a TK3 kit, so its colors may be a little different. But in general, your kit should be the same. The first three we'll talk about are the foundations. Foundations are going to be the base color for your skin tones. There should be a medium, a darker, and a lighter. Using the combination of these three, you should be able to get a good match for your skin tone. And here we have these three in particular, with the black bottoms, clear tops. This is the highlight for your makeup, and the shadow. This is called a character shadow, ultralight, highlight. Combination of these two create contours for in combination with your foundation. I'll be using these two a lot. If you're in desire of pushing that highlight a little bit more to a little brighter, there's a white liner color. This is just pure CL white, and use that in combination with that. Others in here. Back to this contour wheel here, 4 colors. Your kit again might have slightly different colors to this, but this one has black, a medium brown, a rouge pink, and then natural lip color. Most of the kits have lip color in black. You can utilize certainly the black and the browns here in combination with your contour, your shadow color to create contours. The pink rouge in particular can give a little more redness and life back into the makeup. Sometimes it will look a little flat. And then the lip color is essentially lipstick for natural look. In here we've got the bruise wheel. This is abrasions and bruises. If we there's a blood, and then 3 bruise colors. So one that's really dark purple, a medium purple, and then a yellow. We actually use this purple here. This misty violet is the color they call it, as an additional shadow color. Can look really good on stage. This one here is different than the rest of the makeup that we've got. These are all cream colors. This is a powdered color. You can feel the texture is quite different than it is than the rest of them. It's not oily, it's dry. You lay this on top of the makeup that you've done to add a little pinkness to the cheeks or the nose or whatnot. The rouge is applied with the blush brush. Rouge or blush, depending on what you want to call it. But this is our powder brush, blush brush. The other colors in makeup, we are using our watercolor makeup brushes. You'll have 2 of them in your kit. One's a little bit bigger, and the other one's just a little more for detail. One of the things I suggest certainly is to get a couple more brushes for your kit. It helps keeping them clean and not having to worry so much about getting your makeup muddy. Also in here, so while I've got these in my hand, there's 3 pencils. One black eyebrow pencil, a brown eyebrow pencil, and then thirdly, there's another lip color, natural lip color. And these are going to be slightly different depending upon your color of your kit again. Other brush is an eyebrow brush. We use that to add detail, clean up some areas, as well as utilize it for applying this hair color. So hair color is a little different than the rest of this material as well. It's liquid, and it's got alcohol in it. It's an alcohol-based paint, essentially. Adding a little bit of that to the hair for streaking and graying and whatnot. Let's see. Likewise, there's another bottle with liquid latex in it. Would be for we'll be using that for skin texture and toning, three-dimensional makeup. Speaking of three-dimensional makeup, there is a nose and scar wax, which is used for three-dimensional makeup. It is a heavy wax we can use to sculpt with. To apply some of this makeup, the scar wax in particular, in three-dimensional, the glue for that is the spirit gum. And one of the things that I suggest with your spirit gum, since it will easily tip over and spill, is to take a little bit of the scar wax, put it on the bottom of your spirit gum bottle, and stick it to the table, just to keep it from knocking over so much and getting it all poured out into your lap. Speaking of pouring out into your lap, the dark blood is one of the fun materials that we've got. This liquid is terrific for making the additions to any other blood work that you got. Nice and shiny. It's non-toxic. You can actually put it in your mouth. It's minty flavored. I don't suggest eating a bunch of it, but you can if you have to. 2 more materials, tools in particular, is the Q-tips. These have in particular one detail points, and they're great for cleaning. They're great for blending and smoothing some of the especially contours, eyeshadow areas. This is a texture sponge. It's used to create stipple and texture, skin texture, in applying it. I seem to be missing out of here. I've taken the white latex sponges. These little makeup sponges, they are used to apply most of the makeup. We'll be going through that in particular soon. But this is the texture sponge. In here we've got the powder cake. We utilize this to apply our finishing powder. The powder seals the makeup. Once you've finished the cream makeup, you can apply this to essentially save it and keep it from smearing. And then lastly in here is spirit gum remover. This spirit gum in particular is made of materials that will not tillettes, they will, but you don't need the spirit gum remover to take care of that. So, so that's our quick little intro, and we'll get working. All right.